Hi, I'm Cindy Guerin from Leamington GM. We're going to talk about getting the right tires for your vehicle with a GM certified service. Spring has come, the summer is just around the corner. One of the things you need to take care of are your tires. Get those winter tires off your vehicle and put some all-season ones on. This will make your vehicle run smoother and not run the risk of ruining your winter tires by using them too long. But why change tires in the first place, especially if they aren't worn down? Let Leamington GM explain why. Many reasons, but safety is the most important. After your brakes and your engine, the tires are the items that get the most wear and tear. When we think of bad brakes, we usually think of crashing. The same thing can come true with tires, except that they can blow out. But even before it reaches that extreme, your tires can cause problems if they aren't taken care of properly. For example, good tread is what makes your tires stick to the road, making you able to respond quickly to any problem. If your tires don't have sufficient grip, your vehicle won't respond as quickly. This can be a difference between turning smoothly or turning erratically. The best bet is to get quality GM certified tires. These tires, you will know, are safe and come with a warranty. They will have been checked by our technicians to know that they're in good working order. More importantly, you will have peace of mind knowing that the tires on your vehicle are the best that you can get. Come to Leamington GM and talk to our certified technicians to know which tires are best for you. So thank you for watching our video. See you soon.